Hey guys, welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are going to solve our skillrack daily challenge using Python programming language. Before going to logic, if you didn't subscribe to our channel, then subscribe right now and make our work more meaningful.
Let us solve today's DC using Python programming language. The program have to accept a string S containing integers and alphabets alternately. The number of integers is equal to number of alphabets equal to number of alphabets. So for each integer x, the program must print the alphabets that occur after x for x times. So our program has to accept a string S containing integers and alphabets alternately. The number of integers is equal to number of alphabets. For each integer x, the program must print the alphabets that occur after x for x times. Now let us consider for our test case. So 5a, 10b, 2c. This is our test case, and here the integers are 5, 10 and 2, and the alphabets are A, B and C. So numList is equal to 5, 10 and 2. Character list equal to A, B and C. So first we are having the number 5, so we have to print the characters occurring after 5 for 5 times. So A, B and C should be printed for 5 times because it occurs after 5. Similarly, so on. So you have to print first A, B, C for 5 times. A, B, C first time, second, third, fourth and fifth time. So we have printed ABC for 5 times. Now after the number 10, the characters are B and C. So we have to print B and C for 10 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now we have printed B and C for 10 times. Now after the integer 2, the character is C, so we have to print C for 2 times. So C. So this will be printed. This will be our required output for this test case. So let us implement our logic using Python 3. To separate the integers and the characters, we will be importing RE. So import RE and let us get the input S as string. Numlist is equal to re dot find all 0 to 9 plus comma s. This will separate the integers from s and store it in numlist. And now for character list equal to re dot find all a to z and capital A to z. So A to z and capital A to z plus comma s. So this will separate the characters in the string. So after separating the characters, now let us iterate over using for loop having range as len of numList. So let us join the char list so that it becomes a string. So for index in range len of numList, we have to print the character for index in numList times. So print char list of index colon times num list of index. So the number present in num list are a string, so let us convert it to integer. So int of num list of index. So this would be our required code to solve the problem.